Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Roblox account. Deleting your Roblox account is a permanent action, so it is important to understand that all associated data, including any Robux or game progress, will be completely removed and cannot be recovered. Roblox currently requires users to contact their customer support team directly to initiate this process, as there is no self-service button to simply click and delete. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure your request is handled efficiently. Before contacting support, ensure you have your exact Roblox username readily available. You will also need access to the email address that is currently associated with your account, as this is crucial for the verification process. Having additional details, such as the date of birth registered with the account or records of any past purchases, can significantly speed up the confirmation of your ownership. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and quick interaction with the support team. Navigate to the official Roblox support website and locate their contact form. When filling it out, select Data Privacy Request from the drop-down menu, as this is the correct classification for account deletion. In the description box, clearly state your intent to permanently delete your Roblox account and provide your username. Be polite and concise, explaining your decision without unnecessary details. After submitting your form, keep an eye on your email inbox for a response from Roblox support. They will usually send an acknowledgement and might request further information to confirm your identity. It is vital to respond promptly to any verification emails to avoid delays. Once your account ownership is fully verified, the deletion process can take several business days to finalize. Your patience during this period is appreciated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.